Hello children, good morning to all of you and hope you all are keeping fine children. Today in history we are going to continue the same chapter number 6, Mahatma Gandhi and the national movement. Children, I hope you have read till Khilafat movement. Children, in Khilafat movement in 1920, the Khilafat movement and the Congress non-cooperation movement merged into one national wide movement. I told you that these two joined together, they united, and by the help of Mahatma Gandhi, and then they moved to forward for struggle of independence against the British. In 1921, Khilafat committed appeal to all Muslims not to join the police and armed forces and not to pay taxes. This enraged the government. The Ali brothers were arrested and charges were seditions. Now, children, you remember the Ali brothers. I have already shown you the pic also. Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, who were the main leader of uh, this Khilafat movement. And after this comes, children, Rowlatt Act. After the non-cooperation movement and the Khilafat movement, now the Rowlatt Act is another important event. On receiving a report from the Sedition Committee headed by Justice Rowlatt, two bills were introduced in the Central Legislature in February 1919. Here in the slide you can see Justice Rowlatt was reported about the growing outrage in the country. So to curb it or to bring it under their control, he introduced two bills. Children, if you read the chapter, it has given in paragraph on page number 72. You read afterward, but short note I am providing you. To control the outrage in the society, two bills were introduced. Indian opposed these bills. In spite of that, the bill were passed. This act allowed the government to arrest any person without warrant. Means whomsoever the British wanted to arrest, they could easily arrest. To keep in camera trial, questioning in solution, restrictions on individuals' movement, and suspension of right of habeas corpus. Habeas corpus you have done in class 9 also, and in class 10 also you will do again, and so they can arrest anyone whenever they felt. Again, the Rowlatt Act implied that arrest a person without any warrant, in camera trial, then restriction on movement of individual, suspension of right of habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is one of the form in fundamental right also it is given. The act came like a sudden blow to the Indian who were expecting governance. Now, naturally, Indians were fighting for the self governance for independence, but instead of governance or independence, this came like a blow. Gandhiji appealed to the Viceroy to withhold this consent to such measure. However, his appeal was ignored. Now he started Satyagraha as a challenge to the government. So as you all know that Gandhiji always took the path of non-violence. So he again started his Satyagraha program. After this, a very important event. Children, this is very important. Even in your boards every year it comes. The incidents of Jallianwala Bagh. Your next one is Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, and the protests against the arrest of leader like Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. They were arrested by the British government. So people wanted to protest against them, in favor of them. A large peaceful crowd was gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar on April 13, 1919. So it was a peaceful gathering. There was no protest like anything. It was a peaceful gathering. Jallianwala Bagh had only one exit, and their three sides were enclosed by buildings. So only one gate was there through which people can enter and leave. General Dyer surrounded the Bagh or garden with his soldiers and closed the exit. So people could not leave because there was only one gate, and that was also closed by General Dyer. Then he ordered his troops to keep firing till their ammunition ballast was exhausted. till the last bullet they had. He gave him order to fire. About 1,000 innocent demonstrators were killed and many more were injured. Even it is said that people who wanted to save, out of fear, they jumped into the well and they died there only. This shocked the nation, and Mahatma Gandhi called for non-cooperation movement. Now after this, Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement, children. The British government also refused to annul the Rowlatt Act and made amends for the atrocity in Punjab. Little bit of small changes were made, but still after Jallianwala Bagh and even after declaration of non-cooperation movement, British did not annul the Rowlatt Act. Then children, what was the objective in your book? Next topic is, children, objective of non-cooperation movement. What were the objectives of that? At a special session of Congress held at Kolkata in September 1920, a special resolution was adopted accepting non-cooperation movement as the only option left for the people of India. Means not to cooperate with the British government until unless if they keep on cooperating with the British will never leave the country, and they will keep on fighting or not giving any right to Indian people. They will keep on ruling. They will not give any right to the people. No freedom will be given to the people. So only one option was left of non-cooperating with them. The regular session of the Congress at Nagpur in December, every year it used to take place. So now in 1920 rectified his resolution, and the resolution was children, again I will show the same slide to you all. Non-cooperation movement, that remedying Khilafat wrong, British should give the power and respect back to the Turkey of Sultan. Then making British regret of the Punjab wrong, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, annulment of the Rowlatt Act, the achieve of self-government within the British government. These were the objectives that Indian wanted, but they had in non-cooperation movement had this objective, but it was not accepted by the British government. So children, these were the objectives, and but still the British government did not accept, and they did not annul the program of the Rowlatt Act. Now children, next one is the movement including the following program. Now this movement, along with the non-cooperation, the other programs which were taken up, not only non-cooperation, now what were the things that undertook under the heading of non-cooperation? Like they were boycott movement, boycott programs, and the Swadeshi program. You all know very well, children, many times we have done before also, what are the boycott and the Swadeshi movement. Boycott of government of school, colleges, courts, boycott of foreign goods, boycott of election to be held for the council as suggested by the reform in 1919. Now they said that they will not even attend the council meeting of the council election one. And then resignation from nominated seat in local bodies, surrender of title and honorary office, like title of sir was given to some people, that was given away by the Indians, and refusal of attend of government functions. These were the boycott program. Now what was Swadeshi? Swadeshi means Swayam ke desh ka, means whatever is made in their own country, people will use only that. So popularization of Swadeshi and Khadi by reviving hand spinning and hand weaving. Whatever was weaved by hand by Indian weavers, that will be used by the Indian people. No foreign goods will be used. Then establishment of national schools, colleges, and private arbitration court known as Panchayat all over India. Now Panchayat will work instead of court which was run by British government. Development of unity between Hindus and Muslims. This was very, very important, children. And removal of untouchability and other measure of Harijan welfare, and emancipation of upliftment of women. Children, these were the social cause, because leaders thought until unless we all unite together, until unless we don't treat everyone equal, will not be able to fight together. So these points were added. Now children, till here we have completed. You go through the chapter and try to attempt few short questions which is based on this till here. So children, for instance, it is given in the book. You go through question number 1 to 5 in your, either 1 to 6 you do in your copy, short questions. And children, go to the lesson. We will meet again in the next class. Have a good day.